This incident is based on the experiences of the UK P&I Club. Accidents like the one you're about to see can and do happen. As you watch this short clip, ask yourself, could this happen on my ship? A bulk carrier was navigating at night with good weather and visibility. The bulker's officer of the watch, or OOW, was accompanied by an AB as lookout, with steering in autopilot. The OOW sighted a vessel approximately 1 point on the starboard bow. The vessel was observed on the radar at a range of 5 nautical miles. The radar target was acquired by ARPA, which indicated that the other vessel was crossing slowly and on a steady bearing, as to involve risk of collision. The target vessel was small and brightly lit, and the OOW identified it as a fishing vessel. When the fishing vessel was at a range of about 1.5 nautical miles, the OOW altered his vessel's course 22 degrees to starboard. He attempted to alert the fishing vessel using the bridge signal lamp. Shortly after the bulker altered course, the fishing vessel also altered course, so as to cross from port to starboard. After observing the fishing vessel's course change, the OOW altered the bulker's course again to port, to its original heading. The fishing vessel was very close on the starboard bow and altered course yet again, which caused it to collide with the bulker's starboard side. Investigators looked into what happened and found the following. The fishing vessel was sighted in good time. However, the OOW failed to take proper action to avoid collision. The bulker's alterations of course were too little, too late to prevent a close quarters situation with the fishing vessel. Early and decisive action could have been taken by the officer of the watch to avoid areas of fishing activity. The bulk carrier also failed to make use of sound signals to alert the fishing vessel crew. The following practices could have prevented this collision. Where there is risk of collision, take early and bold avoiding action and monitor its effectiveness closely. Fishing gear can extend for long distances from a fishing vessel. A high state of alertness is required when navigating in the vicinity of fishing vessels. When navigating in or near areas of dense traffic, consider both reducing the vessel's speed and engaging manual steering. If in any doubt, call the master. Do not neglect to make use of sound signals as required by the coal regs. In the event of a collision or suspected collision with a fishing vessel, be sure to communicate and provide all necessary assistance for saving lives at sea. Report any incidents to the nearest Maritime Rescue Coordination Centre and save VDR evidence. Now that you've seen this video, ask yourself these questions. What personal action can you commit to avoid an incident like this on your ship? What are the procedures and controls on your ship that would prevent this from happening? What could cause those procedures and controls to fail? What can be done to make the procedures and controls more effective? Thank you for watching this learning video. Please note that the UK P&I Club website has a wealth of further training and advisory material. Please visit www.ukpndi.com to find out more.